Welcome to Awakening Human Awareness. Mitochondria, the inner light of the body. Beneath the surface of your skin, trillions of tiny engines, your mitochondria, are glowing with light. These sparks are photons, pulsed by the living intelligence. When you breathe in peace, when you rest in gratitude, when you open your heart, your inner light grows coherent, radiant, alive. You are not becoming light. You are light, remembering itself. Thank you for watching. Now go and check out the entire article on my blog at Awakening Human Awareness. Bye for now.